Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you a backup camera on a Honda Civic 2014. We have drilled our flash mounted camera in the back in here. All the wires are running through the factory wiring, and we have replaced the mirror with our OEM style mirror. As you can see, it replaces the factory location, so you don't have to it doesn't look odd. It's not a clip-on, but it also has very clean look. As you can see, the resolution is very high. You can see everything very clear in the back. When you start the vehicle, you're going to put the vehicle in reverse. So I put the vehicle in reverse. There's the picture shown on the left side. Very clean. The vehicle back in drive or park, and the car will shut off. To add backup camera to any vehicle, subscribe to our channel and call us at Car System Installation. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.